Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a short link for a destination URL along with UTM parameters. Here's how I can create. I'm going to click on the plus icon on top right of corner of the page. This is create new short link. I have the form to create new short link. Let me add the website here, divsly.com. Let me add another page which fetches the title for it. So and you can also edit this title. This is a slug which has been generated, which is unique, and I'm gonna add some tags to this price. And now let me check the UTM parameters. You can add the UTM parameters. This is the constructed URL which will get updated. So let me give the campaign name camp ID1, and the source is Instagram, medium is email. You can see everything getting updated over here, and the campaign name is deals at Divsly. And you can also fill these terms or you can leave them blank. I'm filling this term, keywords, and the campaign content is new sale price. I'm going to submit it. You can see the updated constructed URL being populated here, and I have the option to create a cut link. My new short link has been created. So once you click on this, you can see the full-fledged URL being shown. So you can see all the UTM parameters on the URL.